Hey guys, and welcome back. It's your girl NeyahNecole. What's up? Yes, I'm feeling a little mermaidy today. So I did this look. I used the Juvia's Place palette, the Masquerade palette to be exact. So if you want to see this cute little purple mermaidy type look, stay tuned. Yay, the palette! So I'm going to start off with Bori, the pink, and I'm going to put it in my crease as a small transition color. I didn't want to use a neutral this time. I wanted to start with a heavy color. I don't know why. Just wanted to try it. I liked it too. Now I'm going to take Zobo and put it right on top and kind of on the outside V of my eye. I'm going to build this kind of to add the base of the color of the look that I'm going for. I'm so ashy, please don't mind me. I literally just got out the shower when I did this video. Now it's time to blend. Blend, baby, blend. So now I'm going to take Burkina and I'm just going to like smooth out the edges so they're not as harsh of a pink color. Now I'm going to take Makita, which is the purple color, and I'm going to put it on that, start with it on the outer V. Fortunately, it wasn't coming out how I really wanted it to, but it works out in the end. I had to start small. Give me a second. So I'm carving this out because I watched a YouTube tutorial on how to make this purple color pop some and to still have a light color in the middle of the lid. So this is what I'm doing currently right now. Just carving out the center of my eye for the center look. Now I'm going to go back in with the purple and smudge out that concealer, which makes the purple a little more intense. I learned this trick. I'm still kind of mastering it, but I'll keep trying. And y'all keep trying too. And if you have another trick, make sure you let me know. You know, we're learning together. We in this together, y'all. Now I'm going to put on the inner part and just smudge it in with the concealer. It's so pretty. Like, I don't think you understand. And I didn't even wet my brush. Like, this is literally just the color by itself. You just have to know how to work with this color, and it's really hard. I think this is why I'm afraid of color, because you have to know what you're doing with these colors, and girl, I don't know what I'm doing. But we learning. We working on it, y'all. We working on it. This took a little while to just build the color the way I wanted it to, but it came out so gorgeous. Now I'm going to take Dana. Of course, I'm going to spray her because, you know, we want her intense. You'll see later in this video that I didn't like this color. It was not cute with my eye shape or the color. Something was just off. So I ended up changing it. But we started with this. And girl, we did not finish with it. But that's okay. Now I'm just blending that purple into the crease some with the color that I put on my lid. Just so it's seamless. Get it, girl. Now, because I'm extra AF, I want to put some glitter in my crease. Team too much, as my mama would say. I'm so extra. But this came out so cute. And, yeah. I called my sister like, girl, would this be extra? She was like, girl, yes, do it. Be extra, girl. So I did. This is such a satisfying feeling. Watch. Yes. Ooh, that is so satisfying to me. I just added this in here for fun effect of the video. But y'all know this routine already. Go to a previous video if you want to see it. Now I'm going to take that gold in Casablanca and put it on top of that color. I told you guys that I didn't like the first color I used, so I changed it and used Casablanca. Y'all remember my fun fact for that color? So now I'm going to take my Huda Beauty lashes, my new Holy Grails. And now I'm doing my under eye with all the same colors I used earlier. Do y'all like this? Y'all know I was scared of color. So this was definitely a risk. But we took it, you feel me? We took it because mama ain't raised no punk. And yeah, this lovely top that I have on is from Fashion Nova. Use my promo code NeyahNecole. Fashion Nova top. I really hope you guys like this look. If you do, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in my next tutorial.